Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Na ganja with Zion, yeah man. Upon me edge a crown of fire. Zion give me soul desire. It shine eternal blaze so I. Zion crown like the sky. No man steal it, no man take. Zion crown, Jah alone make forever shining pure and true. Zion crown, I and you. Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine with love and holy light. Every blessing, every flame, Zion crown exalt your name. It guide the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion crown forever strong. It glow at dawn, it glow at night. Zion crown forever bright. Eternal shining, never fade. Zion crown, Jah alone made. Me see the elder wear the flame. Zion crown exalt Jah name. It bless the children, bless the land. Zion crown by Jah hand. No Babylon can break or bind. Zion crown for all mankind. Forever holy, pure and wide. Zion crown, Jah love provide. It shine forever, shine so high. Zion crown light the sky. Forever holy, never dim. Zion crown eternal hymn. It call the nations, call them home. Zion crown never roam. Eternal fire, pure and true. Zion crown for me and you. When the trumpet sound again, Zion crown still remain. Forever glowing strong and tall. Zion crown for one and all. Holy blessing, holy flame. Zion crown, call your name. From age to age, from night to day. Zion crown forever stay. Blaze I, shine strong. Zion crown all along. No thief, no chain can take away. Zion crown forever stay. Zion crown, blaze so bright. Shine with love and holy light. Every blessing, every flame. Zion crown exalt your name. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion crown forever stay.
Aye, aye, aye. Give Rasta this record, yeah, man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing, pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree roots so deep, shed the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree all people seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion tree for one and all. It stand through storm, it stand through flame. Zion tree exalt your name. Eternal branches, strong and tall. Zion tree protect we all. Me sit beneath the holy shade. Zion tree, Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree, Jah truly blessed. Forever growing, never cease. Zion tree, bring Jah peace. From mountain high to valley low. Zion tree, forever grow. No Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree, wear holy crown. It grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree, reach to the sky. Forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree, eternity. Holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree, for me and you. Trumpet sound again. Zion tree still remain. Forever standing, never gone. Zion tree forever strong. It called the nations, called them near. Zion tree forever here. Holy growing, pure and free. Zion tree, eternity. Grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree, forever guide. No chain, no axe can cut away. Zion tree, forever stay. lift the weary, heal the soul. Zion morning, make we all eternal shining, never cease. Zion morning, bring Jah peace. Me see the elder greet the day. Zion morning, light the way. Forever holy, never wrong. Zion morning, chant a song. It bless the nation, bless the child. Zion morning, meek and mild. From east to west, from shore to shore. Zion morning, evermore. It rise eternal, rise so high. Zion morning, fill the sky. Forever glowing, never dim. Zion morning, holy hymn. No Babylon can block the flame. Zion morning, call your name. Eternal shining, strong and wide. Zion morning, Jah provide. When the trumpet sound again, Zion morning still remain. It rise eternal, never gone. Zion morning forever strong, forever shining. Holy flame, Zion morning, praise your name. From dawn of time till endless day. Zion morning, light the way. Rise high, rise strong. Zion morning, all along. No night, no chain can hold the day. Zion morning, here to stay. Zion morning, bright and clear. Jah forever, always near. Every sunrise, every song. Zion morning, all along. From age to age, from night to dawn. Zion morning, shining on.
Aye, aye, aye.
Zion reggae, yeah man. At Zion's gate, the righteous stand. Just stretch forth his holy hand. It open wide, it open true. Zion's gate for me and you. No Babylon can bar the way. Zion's gate forever stay. Eternal entrance, pure and strong. Zion's gate, a holy song. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. It welcome humble, welcome meek. Zion's gate, all people seek. Forever open, never close. Zion's gate, Jah Love disclose. It shine with gold, it shine with flame. Zion's gate, exalt your name. Eternal pathway, bright and free. Zion's gate, for you and me. Me walk the road, me hear the call. Zion's gate, for one and all. No man denied, no chain can bind. Zion's gate, for all mankind. Forever holy, never still. Zion's gate, Jah holy will. From mountain high to valley low. Zion's gate, the path we know. It guide the nations, guide the earth. Zion's gate of holy birth, forever shining, never dim. Zion's gate, eternal hymn. It welcome child, it welcome old. Zion's gate, more bright than gold. Eternal open, strong and tall. Zion's gate, for one and all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion's gate still remain. It open wide, it never cease. Zion's gate, eternal peace, forever shining, pure and true. Zion's gate, for me and you. Holy entrance, flame of light. Zion's gate, forever bright. Step in, step through. Zion's gate, forever new. No bar, no lock can stop the way. Zion's gate, forever stay. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. From age to age, from night to day. Zion's gate, the righteous way.
Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Deep meditation, man.
Standing tall from ancient time, roots deep down in holy line, branches stretched to reach the sun, blessing all, not just one. Leaves a whisper, Jah command, shade and shelter feed the land. Tree of life will never fall. Jah creation bless us all. Tree of life, so strong and free. Spread Jah love for all to see. Feed the soul, protect the ground, keep the peace where life is found. Birds them singing early morn, nesting branches safe and warm. Fruit a grow for rich and poor. Welcome all through open door. It teach the youth to plant and care. Share the blessing everywhere. Tree of Zion stand so true. Give this
meditate. Hear the whisper, feel the faith. Tree a talking ancient tongue, tell the tale from when we're young. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Grow in love and walk in light. Every seed it dropped today carries Zion far away. When the moon rise high and bright, trees still guard we through the night. From dawn again till evening call, tree of life protect us all. It never fade, it never bend. It stand in strength till very end. From root to leaf, from sea to sky, tree of life will never die. Grow wide, just spirit deep inside. From soil to star, from root to crown, tree of Zion hold we down. No fire, no flood can break the will. Tree of just and mighty stay. Tree of life, so strong and free. Spread your love for all to see. Feed the soul, protect the ground. Keep the peace where life is found. From mountain ridge to ocean side, tree of life forever guide. Zion Reggae, yeah man. Blowing free from mountain crests, carry your word to east and west. Cool the brow, refresh the soul, guide the weary to Jah goal. Every breeze a holy sign, carry blessing pure divine. Wind of Zion never tire, fan the flame of Rasta fire. Wind of Zion swift and strong, carry the truth where it belong. Lift the prayer to heaven's door, spread your love forevermore. It passed through street, it passed through field. Tell the story that can't be sealed. It whisper hope to troubled heart, show the path where peace can start. It scatter seed in fertile ground, so life and joy will soon abound. Babylon wall can't block its way, wind of Jah will always stay. It cool the fire in times of heat, it lift the tired, guide the feet. From morning light till evening rest, wind of Zion do Jah best. It call the youth to rise and sing about the joy Jah love will bring. Every gust a righteous call, blow away the pride and fall. Me hear it dance through forest green, me feel it sweep where peace unseen. It touch the river, stir the sea, tell the world we soon be free. It move the cloud, reveal the light, keep we walking in Jah sight. No man can chain, no man can bind. Wind of Zion, free man
Jah sing through bright blue skies, from first breath till the last. Wind of Zion will hold fast, blow high, blow far, carry the word of who we are, from root to leaf, from shore to plain. Wind of Jah forever reign. No gate, no chain can hold it back. Wind of Zion, stay on track. Wind of Zion, swift and strong, carry the truth where it belong. Lift the prayer to heaven's door, spread Jah love forevermore. From dawn to dusk, from earth to sky, wind of Jah will never die. Na na na, Kaya smoke ya man. Na 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 na, Kaya smoke ya man. Shining bright from Holy Peak, light of Jah to all who seek. Cut through darkness, chase the night, guide the people in truth and light. Every beam a blessing send, every glow a wound to mend. Light of Zion never fade, show the path Jah hand has made. Light of Mount Zion warm and clear, burn away the doubt and fear. Lead the way through storm and shade, shine until the peace is made. It rise each morn with golden silence hold no power chain. Ancient voice forever reign. It tell the youth respect the land, hold the soil in righteous hand. It guide the elder to recall lessons given to us all. It teach the people unity, live in love and harmony. No hatred stand, no greed survive. When ancient wisdom come child, stay strong and true. Jah eternal walk with you. It tell the tribe to rise and sing. Honor life in everything. Voice eternal never end. Guide forever, soul's true friend. When the morning sun arise, voice still echo through disguise. From generation down the line, ancient word remain divine. It never fade, it never bend. Voice of Jah will always send. From first chant to final breath, ancient voice defeat all death. Speak loud, speak strong. Ancient voice live on so long. From root to crown, from sky to earth, voice remind we of our word. Voice of the ancients, loud and clear. Call the children far and near. Teach the way from time before. Open wide your wisdom door. From Zion root to Zion height, voice of Jah will guide the na 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 Zion Raga, yeah man. Blaze up high from heart so true. Fire of Rastaman break through. Burn away the fear and lies. Light the world with Jah sunrise. Every spark a holy sign. Every flame a truth divine. Fire strong, it never tame. Carry forth the righteous name. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the land, purify. Lift the soul to Jah most high. It burned the chain of Babylon. Show the people Jah is strong. It got the youth, it won the old. Tell them story prophets told. No water wash, no storm can kill. Rasta fire blaze Jah will. Flame of love and flame of peace. Make the war and hatred cease. It glow within the sacred drum. It chant the call of Zion come. It blazing heart, it blazing song. Guide the nation all along. It teach the people stand upright. Burn away the wicked night. No shadow hide, no darkness stay. Fire light the righteous way. fire of Rastaman give light from first breath until the end. Sacred fire remain a friend, carry blessing from above. Blazing fire of pure love, blaze high, blaze clear. Rastafire bring Jah near. No wall, no chain, no iron hold. Fire of Rastaman never cold, forever cold. Fire of Rastaman bright and bold, turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the land, purify, lift the soul to Zion Raga, yeah, man. Yeah. Heat come rolling from the hills, call the soul, it come the hills. Every striker proud to Jah, every rhythm break the bar. Drum of freedom, drum of peace, make the war and sorrow cease. Drum of Nyabinghi strong, guide the people all along. Drum of Nyabinghi pure and deep, wake the heart from Babylon sleep. Call the tribe to stand as one, beat until the work is done. It echo far through night and day, tell the children find Jah way. It shake the ground, it lift the soul, bring the spirit back to whole. From roots to crown, from shore to plain, drum of Zion break the chain. No ruler's law can hush the beat. Nyabinghi keep we feet. Yeah. Yeah. He joined the elder and the youth, make them march in Jah truth. He tell the world of ancient time, a holy mountain righteous climb. Every tap a sacred word, every roll a message heard. No lie can stand, no hate can stay, when Nyabinghi start to play. Me sit beside the firelight, hear the drumming deep of night. It say, hold firm, don't fear the storm. Jah protect and keep you warm. It bind the hearts in love's embrace, bring the people face to face. Every beat a holy seed, plant the roots of righteous deed. When the morning start to break, drums still play for Zion's sake. From dusk again till sun is high, drum of Jah will never die. It keep the step, it lead the way, guide the children as them pray. From first sound till final breath, drum will chant through life and death. Beat high, beat low, Nyabinghi make the spirit grow. From coast to hill, from heart to hand, drum unite the whole Zion land. No wall, no chain can stop the song. Nyabinghi beat keep strong.
Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Zion reggae, yeah man.
Flowing pure from Zion hill, river run by Jah will. Cool the land, refresh the heart, wash away the wicked part. Every wave a blessing send, every stream a truth to men. River of Jah never dry, carry peace as it pass by. River of Jah Love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun touch the root, it feed the tree. It set the hungry spirit free. It called the thirsty, come and take. Drink the water Jah create. From holy spring to ocean deep. River run while prophets sleep. No stone, no dam can hold the flow. River of Jah forever go. It healed the wounds of war and hate. It opened up the Zion gate. It carries song from shore to shore. Sing of love forevermore. It washed the chain from hand and mind. Leave the truth and peace behind. Every ripple tell the tale of how Jah love will never fail. Me walk along the riverside, hear the water prophesy. It say hold firm, don't lose the fight. Keep the faith in Jah's true light. It teach the youth to share and care, to guard the earth and keep it fair. River run with righteous plan, flow for every woman, man. When the moon reflects so bright, river glow in Jah light. From dawn until till evening fade, river sing what Jah has made. It never cease, it never bend. River run from start to end, carry blessing from above. River of eternal love, flow high, flow far, carry Jah truth to who we are. From spring to sea, from rain to tide, river of love will ever guide. No wall, no fear can make it stop. River of Jah overflow drop. River of Jah love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. From mountain crown to ocean floor, river of Jah forevermore. can kill, no storm destroy. Garden bloom with endless joy. Babylon hand can claim this soil. Zion garden, fruit me toil. It grow the herb, fi cure the pain. It teach the farmer, bless the rain. It hold the root of history, tell the tale of prophecy. Every stem a story told, every bud a gift of gold. In the garden, hearts unite, walk together in Jah light. Me walk upon the sacred ground, hear the silent, holy sound. It say, hold firm, don't lose the way. Zion bloom come every day. It guide the hand, it guide the seed, teach the soul of Jah creed. Every breath a blessing true. Garden grow in me and you. When the evening falls so sweet, garden sing in rhythm beat. Stars above and earth below, Zion garden ever grow. From first dawn to endless time, sacred garden stay divine. Love and peace forever stand. Garden grow in every land. Bloom high, bloom wide. Zion garden never hide. From soil to sky, from root to leaf, garden bring just soul relief. Garden of Zion, pure and fair. Jah creation everywhere. Fruit of wisdom, leaf of grace. Holy ground, a sacred place. From seed to flower, branch to sun. Garden of Jah will never done. Smoking chalice in the jungle.
Yeah, man.
Barefoot me step on red earth clay. Me feel the pulse from an ancient day. Drum a beat like thunder roll. Echo deep down in a me soul. Me eye closed but me see clear. Spirit calling from far and near. Me nah need no plan, no map. Jah rhythm guide me step by step. Heartbeat inna the drum, me say. Calling all soul fi come, me say. Dancing round the sacred fire. Lift your spirit, take you higher. Boom, 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 it not lie. It a the truth we can't deny. From Zion plain to African coast, we chant for life, we chant for growth. Me see me sister spin with breeze. Her foot them talk like them at ease. Me brother chant them ancient word. No page, no book, just spirit heard. We now wear chain, we wear crown. Rasta robe in a rootsy gown. Me spirit rise like morning sun. When me feel the rhythm, me and it become one. Boom, 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 me feel it strong. The drum still beat though the night is long. Circle tight, we not go straight. We follow the drum till break of day. Yeah, hey.
Yeah, yeah, Zion, inna the puff, yeah, man. Me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. On the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. On the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's hall. This is the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youths live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow. Like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map. Just ears for listen and time for nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner wall a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay on the rhythm for a while. I tell pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me welter with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under Jah sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. On the roots highway, come what may.
Ay, 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 Zion Reggae, man. Early morning light beats through the hills. Rasta rise with the lion's will. Steam rising from the chalice cup. Herbs are feeling we full it up. Ancient drum talk, heartbeat sound. One foot in Zion, the other on ground. We chant down fear, chant up love. Guided by Jah from above. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditate Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration, just Irie soul, pure levitation. Walk through mist in a silence deep. The earth she speak, in secret she keep. Each leaf a scroll, each breeze a verse, teaching we how to lift the curse. Babylon fall in a ego and hate. We elevate, now participate. One speak light, the third eye open. We decode the system, truth is spoken. We no need diamond, we no need gold. The riches live where the story's told. Around the fire we reason clean, talk about life and the space between. Rasta heart at the compass true. No clock rule what Jah man do. We flow with time like rivers bend. This roots man life, it not pretend. Roots of the mountain strong and free, smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration, just Irie soul, pure levitation. Children dance in a barefoot style, elders bless with a knowing smile. The rhythm is older than Babylon scheme. Reggae a voice from the ancestral dream. This ain't no hype or music fake. It's a heartbeat song, for soul to wake. One drop rhythm, lightning fire, burn down light, build truth higher. So light up the chalice, pass it round. Let the smoke rise up off the ground. In a silence, we hear creation. Zion echoes, vibration. From roots to crown, we elevate. No hate, just love, we cultivate. And when the sun sets behind the hill, we still chanting, we chanting still. Roots of the mountain strong and free, smoking the air like mist.
Nana, ganja everywhere, yeah man. Me day up on the earth with no cheering from me mind. Me spirit like a lion, ancient and divine. No gold watch, no office life. Just the sun, me herbs and natural life. Me walk barefoot, panjalan. Feel the heartbeat in a me hand. Mountains whisper secrets deep, and me hold them sacred in a sleep. Firelight and freedom, that me need. Herby naturalist, pure soul me feed. From Kingston to Addis, me heart a drum. Rasta nah run, we just chant and come. Firelight and freedom, no stress me keep. Just chant a psalm when the night get deep. Give thanks for the moon and stars above. Every draw me take is a prayer of love. Me no need mansion or diamond ring. The highest treasure is the song me sing. Me life no complicated, me keep it real. I tell stew cook while me spin the wheel. No TV brainwash, no fake illusion. Me sip me roots tonic fi clear confusion. Rasta teach patience, Rasta teach grace. Me move with balance in a Jah place. Me see people chase things them can't even hold. Me prefer a hammock and sunshine gold. Rasta no bow to vanity dream. Me trod light through every stream. Me light one candle, burn one leaf. Me chant out pain, me chant out grief. Jah guide me steps through thunder and storm. Me spirit stay cool, me heart stay warm. Firelight and freedom, me inner guide. No system can drown this holy tide. Me blaze one eye, give thanks in song. Rasta nah stray, me roots too strong. No preacher, no ruler control me fate. Me soul walk free through Zion gate. Each morning me rise with the birds. Me write me joy in musical words.
Me plant me seeds with love and care, and me meditate till me mind feel clear. Herb is me healing, not me escape. Me no run from truth, me shape me fate. Every draw a sacred right. Open me mind to inner sight. Rasta life no easy, but it's full of vibes and spiritual pull. When me drum, me talk to stars. Me soul connect with ancestors afar. So me sing with no fear. Me chant till Babylon disappear. Firelight and freedom, soul liberation. Ganja burn down mental separation. From hillside jump to concrete lane. Rasta vibration will still remain. Firelight and freedom, sweet release. Me live for love, me live for peace. So come here now and rest your mind. Leave your phone, your clock behind. Under stars with my Nyabinghi flame. Me call Jah name and feel no shame. In this life of rhythm and reason, me hold tight to firelight and freedom.
Up early, dew on ground, barefoot step where truth is found. Me hear the wind, me hear it moan, like voices of prophets long time gone. Them warn we bout chains in a silver guise. Them said the system wear disguise. Gold teeth, big screen, plastic smile, but all them path is pure big guile. Me not fall fi Babylon bluff. Me built from roots, me spirit tough. Me carry words like sacred flame. Me chant each verse in Jah name. Me see the towers high and proud, but underneath me hear the crowd screaming for justice, crying for peace. But Babylon hand never release. Dust of the prophets rise again, float through street like holy rain. Voice of truth not ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me sit in a silence overstand, home and trade soul, fi piece of land. Them build the system strong like gate, but every gate still bound fi break. Now remember teachings of me forefathers, how them chant through fire, still them rise. Me nah go bout to take over lords. Me read me fate in Jah stars. Me words them sharp like cane machete. Me truth not sweet, but it necessary. Them try fi blur the sacred line, but I walk straight, design divine. Me not trust no politician mouth. Them smile while robbing north and south. But in a me yard, me chant me psalm. Me spirit cool, me heart stay calm. Dust of the prophets rise again, float to street like holy rain. Voice of truth not ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me see the signs pon every wall, the ancient ones still make them call. Rise up people, no more wait, truth not come from
heads of state. Me say revolution start from soul before we ever take back control. Free your mind, take off the chain, dance pan style, feel the rain. Me plant me open fertile ground where them system can't track nor hound. Me future bright, me steps them sure. Me chant for love that will endure. Dust of the prophets rise again.
Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, kaya kushina mi lung. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, kaya kushina mi lung. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, kaya kushina mi lung. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, kaya kushina mi lung. Early in the morning, sun touch my dread. Me light up the herb, clear thoughts from me head. Nature surround me, me spirit feel clean. No noise from the system, just bird and green. Barefoot pan earth, connection divine. Me heartbeat sync with jazz design. No gold, no chain, no modern deceit. Just roots and drum and the Nyabinghi beat. Me close me eyes, me soul take flight. Through the smoke, me vision get bright. Lion in a me chest, still calm like sea. Meditation guide I to Jah eternally. Me no need no clock, time nah run I. Me reason with tree, me speak to sky. I tell food, me soul get fed. Me walk with the ancestors, not misled. Mystic light, a shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, be clean, we wear one love vibration night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant upright. Inna the smoke, me find me peace. Rasta meditation, soul release. Babylon build wall, but me plant vine. Me grow me garden sacred and fine. Banana tree, sweet mango ripe. Me play one rhythm and me hold that pipe. Sound system echo across the hill. Sheep and goat feel the roots man will. We not chase vanity, we chase vibes. Positive frequencies, higher tides. Stars talk to I in ancient tongue. Like Solomon wise from I was young. Me carry the staff, me know me road. Me heart full of love, me no carry load. Me no chant against them, me chant for I. For the youth them wake up, look to sky. Inhale deep, exhale pain. Rasta no sunshine, follow rain. Mystic light, a shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, be clean, we wear one love vibration night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant upright. Inna the smoke, me find me peace. Rasta meditation, soul release. Jah music heal like river stream in the heartbeat rhythm. Me find me dream, so me play the drum. Me sing the song. Me know me roots, me know where me belong. From hills of Jamaica to Europe gate, Zion echo spread love, now preach it. So come make we reason under moonlight. All a joy, all a vibe, hold it tight. me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline. Just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow. Cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds are sing rhythm pon the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in me soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I way life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in a morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise, with the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise, just the flute and the Rasta voice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill, drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation. Blaze one feature in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. Me see too much man, chase shadow and dream. Blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath. Away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass. Teach I listen, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in a the yard. Life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars, sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in a hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean. Me temp me natural, me vibe serene. Hillside vibration, soul elevation, with ital stew and deep meditation. Come fi visit but leave your worry. Me teach you how fi slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rastaman reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja drum and harmony, live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring this sound from hillside art to world around. Aye. Kaya and meditate, ya man. Me walk alone pon a pot of stone, far from city, from flesh and bone. Me spirit roam in a misty land. Me hold your book, not Babylon brand. No distraction, no vanity, just the rustle of leaves and sanity. Them say lonely, me say clear. In a silence, Jah voice appear. In a the quiet I grow. Roots dig deep, and me soul just flow. No crowd, no hype, just me and Jah light. In a the quiet, me sight get bright. In the quiet I grow, like river that no boast but steady flow. Me no fear fi be alone, cause in a stillness me find home. Me sit pan rock, the moon me friend. Chalice burn till the night don't end. Them chase fame, them chase illusion. Me hold tight to Jah conclusion. Them build kingdom from concrete steel. Me build strength from what me feel. Me nah envy, me nah war. Me just climb like Zion star. Too much noise in a Babylon town. Them all climb but still fall down. Me climb slow but me climb wise. Me take time, we study the skies. In a silence me sing I song. Me chant it soft but me roots strong. In the quiet I grow. Rasta seeds in a soul me sow. Me no need crowd fi validate. Me stand firm at Jah gate. In the quiet I know everything Jah make just so. Me nah rush, me nah run. Me rise slow like morning sun. Some say silence is punishment, but me know it's a sacrament. For every breath me give thanks. Me walk alone but me full of pranks. Me see them lost in the flashy light. Me trod alone in a sacred night. Me whisper prayer in a ancient tongue. Me chant psalms when me father song. Me no hide, me no seek. Me just live real, humble and meek. Jah bring storm, but him bring calm. Me find peace in him holy psalm. In the quiet I grow. Me not chase what them show. Me not dance fi Babylon stage. Me write truth on every page. In the quiet I grow. Even when the cold wind blow, me stay warm with Jah fire. Me stay true, me rise higher. So if you're lost in a crowd, come walk with I. Far from loud, in a bush, in a hills, in a night, you'll find Jah in a natural light. In the quiet I grow. Ay, ay, ay. In the silence, Jah blessings flow. See la my rastas, me stone and sweat, come on inside, yeah man. You see I walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she nah no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal on foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. We step to her, heart a beat. They say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling, me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In her soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She said, Babylon can't break the chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight, feel right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night gets warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them I watch and wonder how two Rasta still hold vow. Why world a crumble round the way? We hold hands and start to pray. We remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still root.
Ay, ay, ay. Granat cushion me bang ya man. Early in the morning, sun kiss me skin. Me roll up wisdom, firelight within. Me not burn fi fun or hype or trend. Me burn herb fi heal, fi truth me send. One little draw and me spirit rise. Me see through lies, me cleanse me eyes. Me sit pan rock, watch the eagle fly. Me feel Jah near, me not ask why. Them say weed fi fool, but them blind as still. Me use the leaf fi strengthen will. It open door where system close. It make the rebel mind expose. Sacred smoke, it lift me soul. It carry me away from Babylon control. One breath deep, me heart beat free. Me rise above, me come back to me. Sacred smoke, me cloud and shield. It bring the peace where them try to steal. Me sit in silence, me hear Jah voice. This herb of Zion, it make me rejoice. Me nah sip liquor, me nah pop pill. Me light up chalice, feed Jah will. Me sight roots inna the flame. Me call ancestors by them name. Me see me granny in the whiff. She smile and send me blessing swift. Me chant redeem while the ember glow. This ritual make the river flow. No cigarette, no ashtray for me. Me burn the herb and a tamarind tree. Each draw a prayer, each cloud a sign. Each higher stairway to Jah design. Oh, fire burn, but it burn for heal. Me feel the message that Babylon conceal. Me herb is sacred, me herb is life. Me herb cut illusion sharp like knife. No shame, no fear, me carry this flame. Me not play game, me chant Jah name. In a smoke, me find me truth. In a smoke, me heal me youth. Sacred smoke, it lift me soul. It carry me far from the system's role. Me inhale peace, me exhale stress. Me herb a guide, me soul confess. Sacred smoke, me wings and light. It turn me shadow into sight. This is me sacrament, me daily bread. It raise me higher when the world feel dead. Me born with elders, me born with friend. Me born in solitude when vibes ascend. Me born before chant, before me eat. Me born fi cleanse, me in a street. Them try fi lock it, them try fi ban. But Jah plant herb before man. It grow in wild, it grow in free. It grow for you, it grow for me. Me nah abuse, me give respect. Each spliff me build,
me heart protect. Me not chase high, me seek insight. Me herb a torch in the longest night. So next time you see smoke rise, no, it's not escape, it's just surprise. It's healing breath in Babylon air. It's rebel right, it's soul repair. Sacred smoke, me roots, me sky. Me journey start where clouds fly high. Give thanks for leaf, for fire, for breeze. And me chant Rastafari in peace. Jamaica Kush inna the chalice, yeah man. Light up the chalice, silence inna the room. Incense mix with the evening bloom. Me sit still like stone, but me mind fly high. Inna the smoke, me reason with the sky. Inna the corner, me sit herbs in a hand. Me float like breeze over Greenland. Meditation deeper than ocean floor. Each breath me take, me open one door. No distraction, no noise, no fight. Just me and Jah inna the soft twilight. Me no need preacher nor politician. Me find truth in the Rasta tradition. Smoke and silence me in a flight. Ganja guide I through darkest night. No chaos, no fear, just vibration. Rasta trod through revelation. Smoke and silence, sacred fire. Me burn it slow and rise up higher. Me hear the leaves whisper in a breeze. Ancient stories travel through trees. Ancestor voice echo in a ear. Me hold still, me listen clear. Ganja show I what Babylon hide. Teach how fi walk with pride. Not in riches nor in fame, but in love and Jah holy name. Me build a temple in a me mind. Clean and pure, no war inside. Me sip me roots, me burn the leaf. Me sing away me doubt and grief. No judgment here, no hate arrive. Only herbs, only soul, only vibes. Smoke and silence, endless sky. Me meditate till me spirit fly. Me no chase no man-made dream. Me live simple, clean and green. Smoke and silence, high vibration. Me chant through every tribulation. Me teach me youth hold firm, think deep. Herbs fi uplift, no fi sleep. Me no glorify just the smoke, but the message when the silence spoke. It bring me closer to Jah throne. Me realize me never alone. It heal me scars, it calm me rage. It guide me words when me walk on stage. Too many rush, too many blind. Me take me time, me clear me mind. Me no panic, me no pretend. Me live true from start to end. Smoke and silence bless the ear. Me reason with Jah, me soul get clear. Me trod with music, me trod with flame. Me live for love, not name or fame. Smoke and silence, pure connection. Rastaman moving right direction. So come sit with I under the moon. Let the chalice sing a healing tune. In the stillness we rise above, wrapped in herb, music and love. Jah bless me soul, me nah lose hope. Rise up, rise up. Them want see we fall, but we stand tall. No care about the system, them can't hold we down at all. We are warrior, me tell you, say me born for fight. Me light up the darkness, me shine so bright. Them try to lock me spirit in a cage. Them write the laws, but me turn the page. Just set me free, so me claim my place. Me walk with courage, me move with grace. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me see Babylon, them corrupt and cold. Them sell them soul for the diamonds and gold. But me no bow, me no sell out my faith. Me chant my songs, me no fear the hate. The youth them lost, them searching for guide. Me tell them look inside, no follow the lies. Jah give we wisdom, Jah give we light. Me walk with the truth, me walk with the right. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me chant for the people, me chant for the youth. Me chant for the elders, me chant for the truth. Me chant for the love, me chant for the light. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the fight. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up. What a beam, what a boom. Rastafari smoke bang ya man. Yeah man. Yo, me walk with Jah in a barefoot style. Me step in at the jungle, me mind run wide. Lion heart, me nah get tame. Me gun me earth and chant Jah name. Hillside green like me favorite strain. Me feel no pressure, me feel no pain. Eyes to the sky, me lift me soul. Me reggae beat keep the fire on. Roots run deep in a Iman vein. Rasta love wash away the strain. Blaze one high and meditate low. We roll in truth, we let it flow. Roots run deep and the rhythm strong. Me spirit chant like ancient song. Hold a vibe and let it steep. Rasta life, yeah, roots run deep. Me burn the chalice on sunrise peak. Me listen Jah voice when the silence speak. Me no chase wet, me no need fame. Me find me peace in Jah holy name. Me woman divine, me queen by side. We ride the storm, we ride the tide. She rub me locks when me feel low. She say remember who you are, let it show. Me no in a race with no other man. Me live each day with a higher plan. From roots to fruit, me tree stand tall. If you feel lost, just answer the call. doctrine them. Real warriors, no need fi pretend. Acoustic vibes and titles true. We reason truth while the fire brew. Me play me guitar, them beat them pan. We raise vibration, woman and man. No borders here, just heart and sound. One love vibration, circle round. So if you're tired of concrete gray, come find your peace where the children play. Dance in a field, sing out loud. Lift up your soul and stand so proud. This is Zion Echoes, I receive. Reggae roots, so pure, so clean. Ay, ay, ay. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me see her walk like breeze pan river. Every step make me heart beat shiver. Crown on her head, spirit so divine. She now wear gold, but she always shine. King Ital chanting Psalms 23. Me empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica pure in simplicity. She a the queen of me temple, fire of me night. She light me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she help me survive. Me empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the land. She build the future with her bare hand. She reads scriptures like lullaby and teach the youth them not to lie. Me love how she not chase trend, but live with honor, start to end. Many women me see, but she stand alone. With lioness, heart and spirit grown. She no need crown fi rule me throne. Her vibe more rich than gem and stone. We burn herb under the moonlight. She speak truth, me feel right. No drama, just roots and care. Me give thanks for Jah answer prayer. She a the queen of me temple, reason of me song. With her by me side, me stand strong. She roll up wisdom, burn the shame. She call me king, she know me name. Yeah, she a roots gal, humble and free. She move with grace like ocean sea. She a the queen of the Rasta flame. And me love her more each time me call her name. Me empress no flex feel likes. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stay steady, she never lose. She dress royal but live low key. Speak soft but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She a the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain. Yeah, she a roots gal, light and spark. She guide me path when life get dark. She a the queen of the Zion. Ay, ay, ay. Smoker. Split with Zion, Ragaya man. On the Irie Way, we cruising slow. Smoke from the chalice start to flow. Sky wide open, no cloud in our sight. Rasta heartbeat steady through the night. We no follow, no system clock. We move with the sun, step with the rock. Herbs in our hand, wisdom in our head. Jah guide with steps where angels tread. Irie Way, carry me home. Far from concrete and Babylon dome. Blaze up the fire, chant to the sky. Lift up the spirit and let it fly. One love. just herbs and meditation. I remember days under city light, soul in a cage, heart lose fight. But Jah call me through the smoke and breeze, whispering softly through sacred trees. Now me barefoot on sacred land, drumming truth with the healing and no fear. In a this sacred path, just love and the ancient craft. Irie Way, take I far, past illusion, past war. Rasta will turn in Jah direction, roots man soul in resurrection. We no chase money, we no chase fame, just the Irie fire and Jah name. They don't teach this in a no school. How fi live humble, how fi stay cool. Herb in a pipe, knowledge in a heart, that's where the higher living start. So when you're lost in a world of fear, step on the highway, Jah draw near. I see the stars winking at the sky, like them know how the truth lie. We sip tea from the roots and leaves, balance the body, calm the breeze. No need for stress, no need for rest, Jah timing always in place. Rasta no rush, Rasta no run, we move with the moon and praise the sun. Irie Way, freedom call, no wall to hide, no Babylon tall. Smoke up, rise up, chant and pray, we dip on the Irie Way. So if you feel down, feel out of breath, come find life beyond the death, beyond the system, beyond the screen. There's a place where the soul stay clean. This is reggae, for the meditation, words of fire, soul salvation. Zion echoes, call your name. Irie Way, feel no shame. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Zion, Ragaya man. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Rise up early when the sun's still sleeping. Steam the herbs, start the daily reasoning. Bongo drums echo from the hillside. Lion of Judah in a high man stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame. Me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in the heart, fire in the soul. We living the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine. Herbs born strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply. Rasta reach in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise. Just clean meditation, open eyes. Come inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just healing breeze. Herbs from the earth, wisdom from the stars. Ancient truths written in scars. We drum to connect, we sing to feel. We reason about what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system. We give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. sound. Heartbeat of earth, so profound. This ain't no fiction, no fairy tale. This is real life roots on sacred trail. And when the moonlight dance pan leaves, me chant a psalm and me soul believes. No fear when Jah lights around. No lies can shake this holy ground. Me trod in a circle of ancient peace, where hate and ego cease to exist. Me no need church, me no need crown. Me sit in a roots temple, burn it down. You them a come, searching for guide. Me show them the smoke and say step inside. But first give thanks, then spark the flame. Then let the silence call Jah name. Me teach about herbs, me teach about drum. How fi hear Jah voice when the world get dumb. Each puff a prayer, each beat a truth. Me pass the torch from elder to youth. Roots temple, lift me high. Blaze and meditate till we touch the sky. No money, no hype, just word, sound, power. In a lion strength and rainbow shower. When me leave this place, me spirit stay in a roots temple where the drums still play. Where time slow down and thoughts get clean. Where we sip ital tea and sight unseen. So remember this when life get cold. Come back to roots, come back to soul. Zion echoes, carry the flame. Roots temple, remember the name. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bamba gold inna the bambos, yeah man. Early morning, sun arise. Steam arise from the chalice eye. Me sit by tree, birds them sing. Meditation deep, me feel everything. Me nah rush, me nah chase gold. Me just a vibe, let the wisdom unfold. Me light one draw, me soul get calm. Inna the silence, me hear just psalms. One draw, one love, rising high like a dove. From roots to the star above, me carry the fire, me carry the love. One draw, one soul, freedom deep, me feel whole. Me burn it slow, me take control. The healing green, it play me role. Me walk barefoot pan sacred land. Feel the heartbeat of Jah hand. Me no need no chain or car. Me ride rhythm from near to far. I tell in a pot, steam well nice. Pepper, coconut, herbs and spice. Me chant for joy, me chant for peace. Me chant until the trouble cease. Smoke curl like spiral sky. Take me high but keep me wise. It no a drug, it a holy thing. Like drums that talk like Lion King. Me burn the chalice, not fi hide, but fi open gates on the inside. Me float, me fly, but me still stay. One foot on earth, one foot in Jah way. One draw, one love. Me link me mind to stars above. No hate, no war, no shove. Just peace and vibes like turtle dove. One draw, one soul. Me heal me heart, regain control. In a Jah light, me play me role. Me reggae keep me spirit whole. Me see the youth them gather round with Nyabinghi drum and sacred sound. We burn the fire, we sip some tea. We chant till the mind walk free. Me tell them breathe, hold firm and clear. Each breath a step, fi draw Jah near. them not done hum like river run. This reggae vibe had just begun. One jaw, one love, one fire, Rasta guide from up above. One jaw, one love, one fire, Rasta guide from up above.
Ay, ay, ay. Sweat ka chakalaka ya man. Kalayagay.
Early in the morning, me rise with delight. Sun kiss the hills, me vision bright. Me sip vital tea, me give thanks for life. No rush, no stress, just vibe so right. Me walk barefoot pan Zion soil. Me plant me seed, me hands in tile. Each breath me take is sacred now. Each step me walk is a sacred vow. This is the Irie Way, the only road through mountain high and valley low. One spliff, one love and a drum beat flow. We chant for peace wherever we go. This is the Irie Way. Me soul rejoice, Rasta in a eye heart, in a eye vice. No chains, no fear, just open sky. And Jah always standing by. Chalice fire in me heart. Me meditate deep, me take it back to start. Me feel the wind whisper ancient tales of prophets and stars and cosmic trails. This life me live is simple true. Me share me herb, me share me view under the moonlight. Me chant psalms, me soul protected, me life calm. Me sistren hum sweet harmony. Me brethren burn herbs in unity. Together we rise like morning sun. Me no walk alone, we all are one. So me light a fire for the next generation. Teach them love and elevation. This are the Irie Way, the realest road. No illusion, no heavy load. Just mystic truth and grounding tone. Me sit on the rock and feel Jah throne. This are the Irie Way, me not turn back. Me ride with Jah on the ancient track. No worry about time, me just align. Me float on the rhythm and sip me wine. The sound of drum is me heartbeat now. Each beat a step in a sacred vow. Me reason with elders under the tree. Them tell I tales of the old Mali. Them say, youth, keep your faith strong. Sing truth, live right. Chant this song, so me do that still. Each word me write. A touch of fire, a guiding light. This reggae way, I'm more than sound. It's the way me live, it's holy ground. Me temple is earth, me prayer is song. Me herb is healing, me heart is strong. So come if you're tired of the Babylon lie. Come hold a vibe and look to the sky. In a Zion neck pose, the truth will play and show you the Irie Way. message pon the hillside breeze, under star sky and mango trees. Me mama chant psalms by the firelight. Me papa build roof before the daylight. Me nah know city, me nah know war. Me only know love, me only know star. Goat them call me name from the field. Nature teach me what man conceal. Me barefoot run through the wet red clay. Me spirit rise with each break of day. No Wi-Fi but me connected deep to the moon, the tide to me soul's keep. Me a Rasta Born from me ear to me soul. Me walk Jah way, me never lose control. Me chant and plant, me drum and dance. Life sweet like ital, pure like trance. Me a Rasta Born, in a love me grow. From root to fruit, me truth them show. No riches, but me rich in grace. Me live each day with a smiling face. Me burn herb for the healing, not for hype. Me meditate when the stars align right. Me sit under tree, reason with thyself. Me nah look fame, me look soul wealth. Me find beauty in rain pan zinc, in a sister laugh and a brother's wink. Me take time for the sunrise glow, each moment sacred, slow and low. Me sing for Jah, me sing for earth, me sing for the people who know them worth. Me no want status or no crown, just a hammock swing and the root sound. Me say, let the breeze blow me dread, let the smoke curl high, let the bird fly free. Me nah ask why. Me bless every meal, me bless every tone. Me heart find home when me there alone. I tell still bubble, me sister numb sweet. Life in the hills, it complete. Me strum me guitar while rain fall light. This life not loud, but it feel right. Me a Rasta Born with a lion heart. Me nah fake smile, me nah play part. Me nah compete, me elevate. Me soul me nah negotiate. Me a Rasta Born, hear me song and know that peace can grow where love flow slow. Me walk with fire but me burn for heal. Each chant me sing, me spirit feel. Me sight Babylon truck on TV once. Them loud and fast but empty response. Me rather the quiet of coconut fall than the noise of wall after wall. Me play rhythm in a twilight haze. Me unclap praise, me mindset blaze. Me sister bring fruits, I'll in a basket weave. Me say, love live long when you believe. Children run laugh by the river bend. Me see hope where some say end. Me not preach, me just live so. And hope say the world go flow. So if you're tired of the race and chase, come find me in a still place where herb grow wild and music live. Where you not take.
Na 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 na. Smoke a spliff inna the nature, yeah man. Inna the hills where the sun touch land, me build me temple with me own two hand. Surrounded by trees, a river run clear. No noise of machine, only nature me hear. Me light up the fire, me chant in peace. Me burn the herb and me soul release. Each draw a journey, each breath a guide. Me no need no riches when Jah provide. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate. Me nah hesitate fi liberate. One spliff, one love, me meditate. No hate can penetrate. In a Ganja Temple, we nah pretend. From roots to crown, we transcend. Jah call I and I ascend. In a sacred fire without end. Them say me mad, them say me lost, but me live good without the cost. No plastic smile, me nah wear mask. Me live free, that's me only task. Me chant for the youth in a Babylon. Me tell them truth, them can't unlearn, but me nah preach war or fight. Me show them star and guide them light. So me sit in a silence, deep in a trance. Me soul do a mystic dance. Each leaf a scripture, each puff for some. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay calm. Me not chase fame, me no beg likes. Me just walk truth, me ride me bike with the herb in me pack and the drum in me soul. Me chant fi heal and make them whole in a Ganja Temple. Me elevate, me nah rush, me meditate. Me mind pure like spring we run. Me spirit rise up like the sun in a Ganja Temple. Me feel Jah near. Me hear the voice only love can hear. No fear, just clear vibration. Me live for the next generation. Me see me brethren chanting a grove. Them foot bear, them chanting code. Me see string bread up like lioness. She hold the chalice and smoke the stress. The elders speak in ancient tongue. Them say hold firm youth, your journey just begun. So me listen deep, me humble now. Me learn the secrets of the sacred vow. Now me rise up from the ground. Ganja Temple a holy sound. No concrete, no wall of sin. Just wind and drum and truth within. If you seek Jah, come trot this way. Me greet you a dawn with a chalice and pray. In a this temple